Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a short get ready with me video. Now as you can see, I am on the part where I'm applying my powders, and that is because my camera lost the actual footage of me doing my makeup. However, I do have other videos on my channel of me doing my makeup, and if you wanted a more detailed makeup look, then I will be more than glad to do so. But what I'm doing right here is basically just adding all of the powders to my face. However, the main idea of this video is to show you guys exactly how I get ready. I don't really do too much. I live in Orlando. It's pretty boring. I'm just in school as a full-time student, so sometimes I do get dressed up just to take pictures and to record videos. After I do my powders, I am going to be doing my hair on camera. Okay, so now I am actually going to flat iron my hair on camera. One mistake that I did make before I get into anything is that this hair was still just a tad bit wet while I was flat ironing it, but it didn't mess with the flat iron or anything, and it didn't create any wild smells. The hair that I have in is actually 3 bundles in a frontal. I was actually sent 4 bundles, but when I started making the wig, I realized that all 4 bundles could not fit, and I had more than enough hair, so that is definitely a plus. But the 3 bundles in the frontal I have in are 613. They are all 22 inches, and then I have a regular 20-inch frontal. So the flat ironing process is really pretty simple. All I'm doing is just taking different sections. One thing that I can include is that I did go ahead and use this spray that I got from Got2b, and this is like a firm hold spray. This spray is also a frizz tamer, so I'm spraying this pretty far away from the hair so that the hair doesn't turn out to be really sticky. One thing that I did not include in this process is that after I actually didn't record on camera, but after I went ahead and flat ironed all of the hair, I did blow dry it and then just brush it again, because like I said, there were some wet pieces. However, they did straighten out. So now I'm pretty much at the end of my process. I'm just going in and flat ironing the remaining side of my hair. So I did have to go in and shear this hair because it was really thick at the roots. You could get shears from the beauty supply. They're literally probably like $4 at the beauty supply, but I had to go in and shear this hair and make it a bit thinner. Now that's a personal thing with me because a lot of people don't want their hair to be thin, but I just personally felt like there was a little bit too much volume. But after I flat ironed the hair, I did go on to pick out a different outfit. Now, the outfit that I picked out is not too extravagant. I'm going to show you guys in the next couple of clips after I'm done flat ironing. So this is my fit, just a little 1-2. I had to throw on a hat with it. Like I said, it's nothing too extravagant. I actually didn't go anywhere. I just have on this dress from Pretty Little Things, and then I have on a corset from Fashion Nova. Pretty much threw that together. It was pretty last minute, but yeah, that's it, ladies. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the description box because I will have all the information needed in there. Peace.